Good morning students, how are you all? Once again, welcome to our maths class. Today, we are going to discuss about our new chapter, which is money. So all of you, please take your textbook and notebook, get ready for the class. Please take a new page on your notebook and write the chapter title, Money, on your notebook. Okay, let us start. Students, how many of you know about money? What is money? If we wanted to buy a chocolate, what we have to do? We have to give money for that. So money is very much important in our day-to-day activities. Money is used to buy things, and also if we cannot live without using money. Okay. In our family, our parents, they will go for work and earn money for us, and they spend their money for our education, food and other family needs. Okay. Now let us study more about money. Basically, different countries have different types of currencies. In our country, which is our country? Yes, we are living in India. In our country, we have the currency called rupees. Okay, so this is the symbol of rupees. The term rupees is derived from a Sanskrit term rupaya. The smaller unit of money is paise. Okay. In our country, we have two types of currency, paper currency and coins. Paper currencies are issued by the Reserve Bank of India. So we have the notes of 10, 20, 50, 100, 200 and 2000. And the coins of 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee and 10 rupee. Okay, now let us study how to read and write money. Okay students, look here. Here 3 rupees and 50 paise, which was written in the form of words. Now let us study how it should be written in figures. Okay, so here this is the symbol for rupees. Then the 3. We have to put this 3 here. Then instead of adding this and, we have to add a dot. Okay, this dot is the decimal point which divide the rupees from the paise. Then here the paise. Understood? So this is the form how it should be written in figures, and this is the form how it should be written in words. Okay students, now let us check another example. Look here, 3 rupees and 5 paise. So how it should be written in figures? So first we have to add this symbol, then the amount 3 here. Then put a decimal point or a dot and a 0 and that 5. Now you might be thinking that why here is a 0, right? The reason is simple, because the paise here is 5. If the paise is less than 10, we have to put a 0 after this decimal point. So if the paise is 6, we have to put a 0 and then write the 6. Okay. So if the paise is less than 10, we have to put a 0 after this decimal point. Okay. Okay students, now let us study the conversion of money. How to convert money? Okay. First we are going to study how to convert rupees to paise. Okay. So in order to convert the rupees to paise, what we have to do is we have to multiply the rupees with 100. Okay, so here is the example. Look at this here, rupees 6. In order to convert this 6 rupee into paise, what we have to do? We have to multiply the 6 with 100. So we get 600 paise. So rupees 6 is equal to 600 paise. And the next one, rupees 4. So in order to convert this 4 rupees into 100, 4 rupees into paise, what we have to do? We have to multiply it with 100. So 4 into 100 is equal to 400 paise. Okay students, look at this example here. 6 rupees and 25 paise. Now let us study how to convert rupees and paise to paise. Okay, so here I wrote 6 rupees and 25 paise. So we are going to convert this. For this, we have to convert the rupees into paise. So 6 into 100 plus the 25 paise is the answer. So 6 into 100 is equal to 600 plus that 25. So the answer is 625 paise. Students, note one thing here, 6.25 and the answer becomes 625. So there is an easy method to find this. So in order to find or convert the rupees into paise, just remove this decimal point. Okay, so we get the answer. Now look this students here, 9 rupees 65 paise. So in order to convert this into paise, what we have to do? We have to just remove this decimal point. So we get the answer here. Okay, now next one. In order to convert this into paise, what we have to do? We have to remove this decimal point. So we get the answer. Here is the answer. Okay student, now please take your textbook and open page number 96. Here is a task for us, mental maths. Okay, so we have to find the true or false section. Okay, so what was the first one? Rupees 570 paise. So how it should be written? It should be written like 570. So here 57 only. So the answer is false. The next one, 46.25. So here the answer is 4625. It is right. Next one, 3250 paise. So the answer should be 32.50 paise. Here is the answer 3.25 paise. So it is wrong. So the next one, 55 paise is equal to 0.55. It is right. Okay. Students, now let us study how to convert paise to rupees. Here what we have to do? We have to divide the paise from 100. Okay. So here is the example. So we have to convert this paise into rupees. So what we have to do? We have to divide this paise by 100. So 2050 by 100. How many times? Yeah, 20 times 2000. Okay, so here we got 50 paise. So here this 50 is the paise and this 20 is the rupees. So 20.50 paise. Understood? Now please students look at this here, this 2050 and 20.50. Here what we have to do? In the case of the conversion of rupees to paise, what we have to do? We have to remove the decimal point. Here what we have to do? We have to put the decimal point. Okay. Understood? Students, please open your textbook and the exercise number 3.1. Okay. You have to complete by yourself. It is a homework for you. Students, let us study the addition and subtraction of money. First, the addition of money. So, look here. Rupees 229.00 paise and rupees 400.80 paise. We have to add this. For this, what we have to do? First, we have to arrange this amount in two columns. One, the rupees column and the paise column. In rupees column, we have to add the rupees. So, 229 and 400 is the rupees here. So, we have to add this rupees. And in the paise column, we have to add the paise. 00 paise and 80 paise. Now, we are going to add this. So, here 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 8, 8. The decimal point, and 9 plus 0, 9. 2 plus 0, 2. 4 plus 2, 6. So, the answer is 629.80 paise. Understood? It is very simple. We already studied in our previous classes. It is same as the addition of numbers, the addition of money. So, enough for today, students. I hope you understood today's classes. Let me see you in the next class with the continuation of this money. Okay.